Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So, today we learn to express our feelings about things, what we like, love, and don't like. This makes your speaking personal and interesting, and it keeps conversations going. When you can say why you like something, people want to keep talking with you. So, name one food that you love. So this is just a quick review of our previous lecture. In previous lecture, you learned about how would you say to the shopkeeper about prices and how would you deal with them. So today you will learn that what you like and what you don't like, how you have to say to someone. You will talk about food and activity preferences. You will use like, love, hate plus noun, and you will use like, love, hate plus verb ing. So this is a warm up. If someone asks you, what would you take, tea or coffee, or what would you like, tea or coffee, then you can give answer like this: I prefer tea because it's lighter. So there are some feeling words like love, like, enjoy, don't mind, don't like. Enjoy means like a lot. Okay. Don't mind means it's okay. Not good, not bad. And there are also some words like hate, favorite, prefer, tasty, boring. So prefer means like more. Tasty means it tastes good, and boring means that you are not interesting anymore. So this is a feeling ladder, okay? And the top of the list is I love it. Okay. When you like something most, then you say I love pizza. Okay. When you have a bit lower level, then you say I like tea. Okay. And when you are standing in the mid, you don't like it or you don't love it. So then you can say, I don't mind vegetables. So, and when you don't like anything, okay, so you say, I don't like coffee. And when you are feeling hate with someone, something, so you can say, I hate spicy foods. So this is a grammar portion, grammar plus noun or grammar plus verb ing. Okay. So I love apples. I like tea. I hate spicy food. When you are talking about things, nouns, when you're talking about noun, then you will add a thing after I love or I like. Okay. I'm repeating it again and speak after me too. I love apples. I like tea. I hate spicy food. Okay. And when you like or love or hate some actions, then you have to add with main verb ing, like I like cooking. Okay, it's mean the cooking is an action and you like it, so you would say I like cooking, I love swimming, I hate waiting. So an action always takes ing, okay? Like cook would be converted into cooking. Read is also an action, so it would be converted into reading. So this is a question answer like, did you like cooking? Yes, I love it. Do you like coffee? No, not really. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Or tea or coffee? What would you prefer? I prefer tea to coffee. So prefer means like more. So here is the pronunciation. Cooking. It's clear but light at the end. Cooking, swimming, reading, favorite. So examples with because, like I love cooking because it's relaxing. I enjoy reading because it's interesting. I hate waiting in queues because it's boring. So because makes your answer much more interesting. So when you write an answer, so always try to mention the reason. So this is a model paragraph about my likes and dislikes. I love cooking, especially on weekends. I like reading, but I don't like getting up early. I hate waiting in queues because it's boring. So this is a guided practice. I love swimming because swimming is an action. I like apples, okay, because apples are noun, things. I don't like getting up early because getting up is also an action. I hate waiting because waiting is also an action. Okay. So here you have to explain about yourself two things that you love, one thing you don't mind, and one thing you hate, and add because if you can. So this is a practice that you will make after this lecture, such as you are already making this practice. So here you just have to listen one dialogue, okay? And you can take the name XYZ, anything like Ali, Sarah, Umar, and what they like and what they dislike or hate or what they love, you have to mention with reason. So a quick review, you have to answer these questions in comment box. And here I would like to explain there are some common mistakes that some students make, like I love cook. No, cook is an action. Then you will say I like cooking. I love to swim. Okay. So it's simpler, but you have to say I love swimming. I hate wait. No, wait is also an action. So you would say, I hate waiting. I prefer tea than coffee. Okay. But here you will use the preposition to. I prefer tea to coffee. So after making some practice, you will be able to say what you like and what you don't like. Okay. And after you can talk about food and activities and you can use like, love, okay, with noun and verb plus ing. So it would be your homework. You have to write 6 sentences where you will write about your likes and dislikes with because, and you have to prepare 3 questions to ask to your partner, and you have to record yourself between 60 to 90 seconds, and later you have to listen your audio, and you have to focus on and how you can improve. The more you make practice, the better it will be soon. So it's wonderful work today. See you next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.